Hey, welcome back, guys. Today is Wednesday. We're in the middle of the week here for the firearm season. It's season A. We're hunting down southeastern Minnesota. I'm back up in the same tree stand that I was last year when I shot that buck. I've been hunting this area on top of this hillside for the last 12, 13 years or so. And within that time, I've seen this area change so much. I actually had to hop from tree to tree just to set up my tree stand, just to make it work. Originally, the hilltop is right to my right over here. Back then, it was nothing but just large trees. Therefore, the ground was bare open, just wide open spaces. Not too much deer use that area. Therefore, when I originally started, I sat down lower on the hillside down here. The majority of the deer were just working the ridge or the hillside. And as time came, all those large trees fell down. And there was a couple years there where it was nothing but just timbers all over the ground. And then the undergrowth came up, causing it to be really thick. So now the deers are using the top more than we ever did back then. Now I'm settling right on the ridge here. I kind of gave up that lower hillside. Shot many bucks up here. 2014 was my first big one in this area. Just got a good word from my brother-in-law. He just took one this morning, so just a doe, but we got one down. There's only 3 of us so far. Hang on tight. The show has just started. Let's go. Wish us some luck. Alright guys, it is Thursday morning. We're out here. We knocked out pretty early last night, so got up this morning and we were hesitant if we wanted to come out just because we know that it's going to be a pretty windy day. We're looking at about 10 to 15 miles an hour wind and 35 miles an hour wind gust. So I got settled in and as the time is going by, it's about 8:30 right now, the wind is starting to pick up. So according to the forecast, it's going to get really windy by 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock there. That's when it really starts, and then it's going to go out through the entire day. So I think I'm going to make a shift in a bit here. I'm going to go down into the ravine and hunt the lower grounds down there just to prevent the wind from hitting me. So I'm going to make a move down there in a bit here. It's about 3 p.m. right now. We're supposed to be out in the woods, but it's windy as hell, so I guess we're just gonna chill back at the hotels. Got a couple guys that are still out there, and they said that there's nothing moving at all, so I don't know. Hopefully we made a good choice just to stay back. This is Friday, the very last morning for us being out here on public land down in southern Minnesota. Last year we had one of the best seasons we've ever hunted, and this year there's no luck at all. So far it's just 2 deers down. It's just a doe and a fawn, so very tough year, man. This is how difficult hunting can be. Yeah, deer hunting can be difficult. No deer at all this year. No movements, not good at all. So I think I'm gonna call it quits with this video, and then hopefully we could get back to the property, because the property's up north where it's the 100 zone, so you get 3 weekends out of that. Other than that, see what happens, man. But I'm done with this for today. I'm about to get down and head back to the truck. Catch you guys on the next one.